Are there too many YouTube channels? Seriously, is it just too late to start on YouTube? You know, all you people like Johncrestaniscam, you have big channels, but you know, you started years ago, right? Like, surely I can't compete against you guys now in 2020. It's way too late, right? Or are you gonna try to like sell me something? I'm always gonna try to sell you something, but it's not too late to start on YouTube. I'm gonna go over my reasons why I don't think it's too late to start on YouTube. I'm gonna challenge you in this video to think maybe a little bit differently. If you're a skeptic or something along those lines, you should probably unsubscribe because this channel ain't for you. But if you are actually looking to improve yourself and figure out if it's too late or not, and there's 4 steps that you can use to get started, I'll be going over those in this video and more. Let's get it. Oh, there's no more money left in my money gun because it's too late to start on YouTube. You missed the boat, sucker. Wait. Oh, never mind. I was just kidding. It's not too late to start on YouTube. Okay, think about it logically for a second. Let's do a quick exercise. Are there too many restaurants in the world? Are there too many coffee shops? Are there too many bowling alleys? Are there too many colleges? Are there too many TV shows? Are there too many actors? The answer is no. There's always room for more. It's like, that is a ridiculous question. What, do you think there's never gonna be another TV show? There's a million TV shows. Are there gonna be any more? Of course there are, okay? Are there gonna be more restaurants? We already have 50 million restaurants. I haven't even been to every restaurant around Los Angeles, not nearly. There's gonna be more restaurants. And if you're wondering if it is too late to start on YouTube, are there too many YouTube channels? Duh, that is a horrible question. That is frankly, and I don't mean to make fun of you, but I kinda do. It is a stupid question. And no offense, but I'm not gonna be nice to you because I'm gonna be real with you. It's a bad question. And the reason why it's a bad question is because it's coming from this scarcity mindset, right? You are trapped in that system thinking, that the rules and stuff that's been handed down to us from the rich and powerful people, right? They make the rules, right? And you're thinking the way they want you to think. It's too late. Don't quit your job. Stay your lane. Don't ask questions. Work until you die. That's what they want you to think. Now, we're not like that. We're not gonna think that way. And I'm gonna go over the 4 ways of how you can get started on YouTube right now, today, and make sure, if you are ready, if you want to get started on YouTube, type in YouTuber in the comments below, and guys, feel free, sub everyone. I don't want to see anybody asking sub for sub or whatever that is, but if you are a YouTuber, type in the comments, YouTuber. And if you want, type in what your channel's about in the comments. And guys, you know, I encourage anyone, this is one of those videos where you can sub each other, just don't ask for it. If you ask for it, I'm gonna like hide your comments from my channel forever. No, seriously, like whiners and complainers, I hide them from my channel. Just unsub. Please unsubscribe if you're a whiner or a complainer. This is not the channel for you. Step 1 is the best step of all because it's just about realization. You get to realize that you are unique. You are worthwhile. You have everything you need within you. And once you realize you're unique, you realize that you have something special to share. You're not rehashing the same stuff as everyone else. I mean, this video is based on a video by Stephen James, right? Like I took the title, I took the format from a guy named Stephen James. He's a friend of mine, but that's fine because my personal experience is different than his. My stories are different than his. The points may be the same, but the story and the individuality is unique, and you have something unique to offer too. And when you realize that you are worth it, that's when we can start making change and start figuring out how you can differentiate yourself. Now, one of the easiest ways to differentiate yourself as a YouTuber is different mediums, okay? Different mediums. Now, one thing I did a little differently on this channel when I got started is I do a few things. One is I use this big fat notepad in my videos, right? And the second thing is I do a lot of videos where I'm actually showing, I show my computer. I'm actually doing screen capture. I'm using Camtasia to draw and show people exactly what I'm doing on my computer. Another thing I'm gonna start doing to differentiate myself, I don't know where my phone is, but I'm gonna start doing like mobile phone videos, like actually portrait style. I'm gonna do screen recordings on my mobile phone. Give me a thumbs up if you like that, or just type in "Go Mobile" in the comments below. Just type in "Go Mobile" if you want to see some vids where I'm showing you how to do affiliate marketing, just scrolling around on my touchscreen phone, right? Because people are like, can I do this on my phone? Yes, I'll show you videos. So that's going to be a differentiation of how I do videos. But whatever you do, you could do videos that are interviews, right? You could talk about affiliate marketing through interviews. You could talk about affiliate marketing through, you know, mobile phone videos. You could do it with using point of view, or you could do actual like live streaming, you doing affiliate marketing for hours. There's different mediums you could do to actually show affiliate marketing, okay? Or whatever you're doing videos about. Now, the next way you could differentiate yourself is tonality. Now, tonality could be like, some of my videos are super hypey, right? Like I bring a lot of hype. People are like, John's crazy, he's a salesperson or whatever. Yes, of course, okay? And that, or you could be just really bland and straightforward info, like a lot of English people, just like, you know, I could go through each point without any embellishment whatsoever. Another form of tonality you could do is just being a real big, right? You could just say, look, I don't like people. I don't want to take any of your questions. I work on the internet because I don't like dealing with people, but I'm gonna be nice and show it to you anyways. I mean, it's just like, what? Right? Like, what? He's not going to answer any of our questions. I get people that blow up at me. They're like, why aren't you answering my messages? It's like, hey, I get 1,000 messages a day. I'm not going to hang out and be your buddy, right? Like, that's not what I'm doing here. I'm not here to be, you know, buddy and chatting with 1,000 people. Point being, tonality is all different. You could do animations. There's a million ways you could do these, differentiate yourself between these two. I have one bonus tip for you at the end, really powerful. I'll go over that in just a second here. Number 4, I believe, is the easiest, but a lot of people find it to be the hardest, and that is working harder than everyone else. Now, I'll be frank, I'm not the most original guy. I'm not, you know, my editing isn't the best, you know, all the stuff I do isn't the best. I don't have the fanciest house. I don't have the fanciest cars. I live in a nice place, but it's not, you know, it's not like unbelievable, like, whoa. But what I do is I work harder than other people. That's what I try to do, and you can too. If you work harder, post more often. Most YouTubers post once a week, post 5 times a week, post 7 times a week, post 10 times a week. Whatever you need to do to get over the hump, right? If you outwork people, then you end up winning in the long run. But don't be like the rabbit and the hare, because what did the rabbit do? Do any of y'all even know this story, the rabbit and the hare? If you have no idea what I'm talking about, type in no idea. I know a lot of people are coming from around the world, so I use these American idioms, and I don't know if anybody has any clue. But the rabbit and the hare, tortoise and the hare start, and the tortoise is really slow and the rabbit is really fast. And the rabbit runs the race, but he gets so far down, he's so far ahead, he takes a nap close to the finish line, and the turtle ends up winning the race because he was slow and steady. So if you work harder, don't burn yourself out is the point of the story. Don't burn yourself out. You can work harder, but if you burn yourself out, then it's all for naught. And that brings me to my bonus tip. Now, one of the ways you can differentiate yourself, which is really powerful and allows you to really beat everyone else in your market, is get a better business model. Get a better business model. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're just relying on YouTube advertisements as your income, then, you know, it's going to be a much longer road for you to be, you know, become a full-time YouTuber. Whereas if you supplement your YouTube advertising revenue with, let's say, affiliate marketing income, then you start making more money and you lower the threshold. You can quit your job faster and become a full-time YouTuber if you have both affiliate marketing income and advertising revenue. Now, we can stack these, right? So you can actually create your own special club within YouTube where people pay you anywhere from $5 to $50 a month. So if you have exclusive content for people, now you have recurring revenue, you have a affiliate marketing income, and you have advertising income. So now you're stacking, and now you're creating a better business model altogether. Now, I see a lot of other YouTubers, in my industry, the teaching industry, they're coming out with their own courses. I have my own course. That's another way to monetize. But one thing I did that was different, a little story and insight into my thing, is that I was able to put more time into YouTube earlier on. Not because I was selling more courses or whatever, because a lot of YouTubers in this space, what they're doing is they're trying to do videos and prove to you that they're smarter than getting people to buy their courses, right? And tell me, you know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, say I know what you're talking about in the comments. But that's not what I'm trying to do here. What I'm trying to do, how I repositioned my channel and how I created what I believe is a superior business model utilizing YouTube, is I realized early on that my audience is very international and very young, and they're not always the ideal buyers. Most people aren't the ideal buyers for my course. So what I realized is that everybody should just be an affiliate, and I made this channel mostly about the flagship videos here are actually really trying to help you make money. Other make money gurus say they're trying to help you make money, but they're really just doing videos for the views. You know who you are. You know who you are. Win on number of views if I can win because I'm helping people make money and sell my course, so we're both making money. And that became a superior business model. And I've been able to focus a lot more on YouTube videos and deliver to you the heat. So if you know this is the #1 make money channel on YouTube, type in #1 make money channel on YouTube or #1 money channel, because that's what we're doing here. It is not too late to be a YouTuber. I suggest that you start. There's nothing wrong. Just go for it. Be consistent. Check out my other videos. I did some videos on 6 tips for beginners starting YouTube. You can look through my uploads or something like that. But I go over, or maybe my editors will tag this, but I go over the steps to start on YouTube. It's a great place to be. It's a great business. It's definitely not too late, but you need to get started now because it's not getting any easier than it is right now. Talk to you soon. And if you're committed to making it happen as a YouTuber, type in committed. I'll see you in the next video.